Horoscope for the year 2022. Hello everyone, welcome to our Astro Yogi channel. I am Acharya Ananya and we will discuss in detail the year 2022 for every single zodiac sign. Like the year 2020, the year 2021 has been challenging for all of us. However, the vaccine has given a ray of hope, and if the vaccination process goes successfully, the forthcoming year will bring plenty of joy and excitement. With the arrival of a new year, every individual wishes to know their future. We want all our dreams to get fulfilled in the forthcoming year. But there are numerous challenges we might have to face. It's always a good idea to prepare ourselves for all future challenges. There can be some questions regarding how your career would be, your business, married life, finances, relationship and health would be in the year 2022. Besides this, many people wonder whether the new year will be lucky for them or will it bring challenging or problematic situations. To answer all these questions, Astro Yogi has prepared a yearly horoscope for all of you. In the yearly horoscope, you will learn about your future as per your zodiac sign. For example, in the field of work, what kind of result will you achieve in 2022? When it comes to finances, whether you will earn money or your expenses would increase. More questions like how will your behavior and relationships will be with your family members, or will your love life will become more romantic, or would it be filled with problems? The answers to all these questions can be found in the yearly horoscope we have created for you. But before beginning the yearly horoscope 2022, let us first look at the first house for the major house transits, solar and lunar eclipses and important festivals that will be taking place in 2022. Also, you will be provided with a lucky number, lucky color and astrological tips as per your zodiac sign. So make sure you watch the video till the end. If you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to it and click on the bell icon. Also do like, share and comment if you like the video. Major house transits of the year 2022. Let's discuss that. Saturn, Rahu, Ketu planets will also transit in 2022. Let's discuss them. On Tuesday, 2022, 12th of April, Rahu transits from Taurus to Aries. And on the same date, Ketu transits from Scorpio to Libra. After this, Jupiter would transit from Aquarius to Pisces on Wednesday, 13th of April 2022. Then, on 29th of April 2022, Saturn will transit from Capricorn and enter Aquarius. However, on the 12th, July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and shift to Capricorn. Major eclipses of the year 2022. In the year 2022, there will be 2 solar eclipses and 2 lunar eclipses. Solar eclipses. The first solar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 30th of April 2022 in the partial solar eclipse. This eclipse will be noticeable in South America, Antarctica, the Atlantic Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Also, the second solar eclipse will be a partial solar eclipse and it will occur on Tuesday, 25th of October 2022. This eclipse will be noticeable in Urals, Middle East, Northeast of Africa, Europe and West Asia. Now let's talk about lunar eclipses. The first lunar eclipse of 2022 will occur on 15th or 16th May in a blood moon. This will be seen in some parts of South America, Europe, Africa and Asia. The second lunar eclipse will happen on 8th of November 2022 as a complete lunar eclipse. Now this eclipse will be noticeable in many parts of North America, Australia, Asia, North and East parts of Europe and several parts of South America. Major festivals for the year 2022 are Holi, which would be celebrated on Saturday, 19th March 2022. Hindu New Year 2079 will begin from 2nd April 2022. Chaitra Navratri will be celebrated from 2nd April to 10th April 2022. Raksha Bandhan will be 11th August 2022. Ganesh Chaturthi 31st August 2022. The starting of Shardiya Navratri would be from 26th September to 4th October 2022. Vijayadashami, that is Dussehra, the festival of triumph of good over evil, would be celebrated on 25th of October 2022. Karwa Chauth will be celebrated on Thursday, 13th October 2022. The festival of Diwali will be celebrated on Monday, 24th November 2022. If you want more details, you can go to our official website Astro Yogi and get all the details plus auspicious time and worship method. So you viewers, the year 2022 will begin with Virgo Ascendant, Scorpio and Jyeshtha Nakshatra. Yearly Horoscope 2022 for Gemini. Let's see how the yearly horoscope 2022 will be like for Gemini natives. The annual horoscope indicates what's special for you this year. Everyone is often excited about the new year because it brings new opportunities and challenges. Everyone wishes to be well prepared so that they can achieve the best results. People usually have several questions regarding the new year. To answer these questions, like each year, Astro Yogi has brought you your horoscope for the year 2022, which is based on the zodiac signs. Astro Yogi's prediction for 2022 have been made by calculating the positions of the constellations, planets, etc. and their impact on all zodiac signs. Let's understand the horoscope for Gemini. What is the annual horoscope 2022 indicating for Gemini natives? How is the year 2022 going to be like for Gemini natives' love lives? What will it bring to Gemini natives' professional life? Will Gemini natives undergo financial challenges in this year, or will they successfully accumulate a lot of wealth? How will the relationships of Gemini natives will be like with their family members and people around? What does the horoscope of the year 2022 says? The year 2022 will begin in the Virgo Ascendant in Scorpio and Jyeshtha Nakshatra. As per the Gemini yearly horoscope, the year will be very great for you. This year, Saturn will go into Aquarius on 29th of April and Gemini natives will be affected by Saturn. As a result, this phase will be favorable, one for people in business. Then on 13th of April, Jupiter will transit in Pisces, which will be residing in the 10th house of Gemini, for which you will get unwavering support from your family. New income sources will open up. Rahu will go into Aries on 12th of April, due to which this time will not be favorable for business persons and working abroad. But it will be an excellent time for students pursuing higher education abroad. On 13th July, Venus will transit in Gemini, due to which those interested in love marriage can get success. The separation period between people in love will also end. Also from 12th July, Saturn will again retrograde and go into Capricorn. As a result, the Gemini natives will undergo financial issues and unnecessary expenses. The impact of solar eclipse before 30th of April will be favorable for Gemini natives. Sun will be settling in the 11th house of Gemini, due to which you will get the support of your elder siblings. Then on 25th of October, there will be another solar eclipse. The Sun will be settling in the 5th house of Gemini. As a result, you will stay concerned with the matters related to your children. In your love life, separation can happen as well. At the same time, the first lunar eclipse of 2022 will occur in Scorpio on 16th May. Moon will be residing in the 6th house of Gemini, due to which your health will need to be looked after. Government work and loan related work will be delayed. Then on 8th November, the second lunar eclipse will occur in Aries. The moon will be residing in the 11th house of Gemini. This transit will increase your wealth and family's happiness. Money will be spent on religious activities. Gemini love horoscope. Now let's understand how the love life would be. As per the Gemini love horoscope 2022, the year's starting will be great for Gemini natives. Things in your love life will be good and you will do your best to keep your beloved happy. Thus, your relationship will be strong. The middle of the year will be a great one for your love life. Mutual understanding will improve the relationship. Both you and your partner will be able to understand each other very well during this period. If you're married, the beginning of the year will be a little fragile for you, as this time your life partner will pay more attention to his or her family. Distances may elongate between you and your beloved. However, it will be a very short period and the situation will change very soon and automatically. The middle and the end of the year will be good for married couples. The middle half is something which you need to take care of. According to Astro Yogi's prediction, the year 2022 will be a little unstable for married couples. At the start of the year, Sun and Mercury will be settling in your 7th, due to which conflicts can take place in your relationship. Jupiter will go into Pisces on 13th of April 2022 and will be settling in the 7th house of Gemini. The situation will be favorable for you. You will get the complete support of your wife in your field of work, or maybe your husband. On the other hand, Saturn's entry into Aquarius on 29th of April 2022 and then Saturn's retrograde on 12th July and re-entering Capricorn can create a rift in your married life. You are advised to avoid differences and work with understanding. Try and stay calm. Jupiter will retrograde on 29th of July, which will create disturbance in your married life. In such a state, you will need to stay away from pointless arguments. Even though Jupiter is an auspicious planet and separation will not occur, make sure not to say things that hurt your partner or someone else in relationship. Yearly Love Horoscope 2022 states that things will prove to be better for lovers. At the start of the year, because of the aspect of Mars falling in the 5th house, you will argue in vain, due to which situations of quarrels might occur. This is the reason you must avoid arguing. Venus is the lord of the 5th house of Gemini. The transit of Venus will have a favorable effect on people in love. On 30th of April, Venus, being the lord of the 5th house, will be exalted in the center and reside in Pisces. The situation of Venus will provide opportunities to those who are interested in going for love marriages. Besides this, there are chances that single people might get married this year. After July, it will be a bit difficult to meet your lover, due to which you will experience negativity. But distance will bring you closer to your partner. Trust me on that. In general, the Gemini Love Horoscope states that things will be better for lovers, which will give them success in love for a long-term basis. But there will be ups and downs in married people's life. You are advised to keep away from controversies and stay away from arguments. Keep your calm. Now let's talk about Gemini finances for the year 2022. As per Gemini finance horoscope for this year 2022, it will be quite a productive one. The first few months of 2022 will be little fragile, as your expenses will increase during this period, which will affect your economic condition. Between April and July, many types of profits will occur which will enhance your economic condition. The existence of Rahu in the 12th house will increase your expenses. Therefore, you need to prepare a budget to know which expenditures are vital for you, which are of utmost priority. Only spend on those. This time, your short tours will be fewer. Long tours will cost you more money. Besides this, 2022 is the correct occasion to resolve any problem associated with property and for mediation by any individual. Now let's discuss the annual finance horoscope 2022, which will be financially favorable. The situation of the planets looks to strengthen your financial side. Jupiter will transit in Pisces on 13th April, due to which you will get new income sources. On the other hand, the aspect of the 4th house of the Jupiter will make you invest in real estate, which will prove favorable in the coming period. This year will be a good one for Gemini traders who are doing business overseas. On 12th of April, Rahu will go into Aries and reside in the 11th house of Gemini, which will give you money from overseas. This year, you will witness an increase in your deposits. Jupiter will be in retrograde on 29th of July, owing to which it is recommended that you make wise decisions in business. Otherwise, there might be a loss of money. During this period, you can also get money from ancestral properties. Also on 29th of April, Saturn will transit in Aquarius and reside in the fated house of Gemini. This state of Saturn will be auspicious for the native. Your economic condition will be strong, as a result of which delayed work will gain momentum. Those whose money is stuck somewhere are likely to get their money back. Yes, it is possible. On 12 July 2022, Saturn will retrograde and go into Capricorn again, due to which you need to consider money-related investments. If possible, try to invest money throughout this period. On 10th May 2022, Mercury will retrograde in Taurus and settle in the 12th house of Gemini, due to which people associated with jobs overseas will gain economic benefit, but those working in their own country might face monetary loss. Overall, Gemini Finance Horoscope says things will be good for Gemini in terms of money. You will gain economic benefits as per your wish. This year, your economic condition will be strong and you will be filled with positivity. Gemini Career Horoscope for the year 2022. According to Gemini's career horoscope, this year will be full of ups and downs for you. At the start of the year, you will work hard, the outcome of which you will notice in the middle of the year. There can be a possibility where you might sense that your work isn't being acknowledged appropriately for a while. Therefore, doubt may stay in your head, which might force you to quit the job. If you remain calm, the situation will become better from the middle of the year, and you will be able to give your best to your job. So stay calm for some time. The middle of 2022 will be good for your job. At this time, you have to give up the thought of changing jobs. In the last phase of the year, you are likely to travel to far-off places due to work. From a business standpoint, this year, a business partnership might impact you adversely. Thus, you have to be very cautious. If you do this business alone, then this year will be an amazing year for you. Along with your income, there will be expenses waiting for you as well. Business expansion strategies will be made, but you will need to work hard on them. It is essential to consult with a knowledgeable person when doing any investment related to work. Annual Career Horoscope 2022 says things will be thriving for Gemini natives. On 13th of April 2022, Jupiter will go into Pisces and settle in the 10th house of Gemini. This position will be thriving with prosperity for business person. People with partnership, these businesses will gain. Now, income sources will open for you. Saturn in Aquarius will be fortunate. Gemini natives can start a new business in this period. You will also come in contact with higher officials and you will get money with their support. On 12th of April 2022, Rahu will transit in Aries, located in the 11th house of Gemini. This situation of Rahu's position in your horoscope will give benefits to the business persons associated with business abroad. It would help if you concentrate on your goal. People who have jobs will gain success in their work. As a result of the 9th site of Jupiter falling in the 6th house, working individuals will get support from their boss. Those who have been jobless will get employment this year. If you were thinking of moving abroad and getting a job, your wish could get fulfilled. Jupiter is going to retrograde on 29th of July 2022, because of which there can be ups and downs in business. Invest your wealth sensibly at this time. Do not trust anybody easily. Those doing a partnership business might have a rift with their partner. You are advised to keep your distance from controversial issues. On the other hand, people who have jobs must not get entangled with their co-workers. Otherwise, you might suffer losses. On the whole, Gemini's career horoscope 2022 states that the year will prove to be auspicious for you. You are advised to make the most of this year. Business people and employed people will obtain the results they want in their jobs and businesses. You will emerge victorious this year by defeating your enemies. Now, let's talk about the Gemini family life for the year 2022. As per the Gemini family horoscope 2022, this year will remain unstable for Gemini natives. At the beginning of the year, there can be some disagreements with your spouse. You might also have a conflict with your parents. But after May, the circumstances will be favorable for you. You might plan to go on a family trip with your younger brother or sister. Gemini natives might be concerned about the women of their families. Look after your mother, wife, and younger sister, especially your mother. From September to October, you will be involved in religious programs. You might also celebrate the birth of a child in your house. You will meet your childhood friends with whom you will have an excellent time. But this year, you must not start any special project with friends, or else you might get cheated because of that. As per the yearly family horoscope 2022, Jupiter will transit in Pisces on 13th of April. The site of Jupiter will fall in the 3rd, 4th and 6th house. As a result, you will get total support from your family and your family members will be pleased with you. This year, you can invest in real estate and spend money on increasing the comfort of your house. Your relationship with your mother will be quite good this year, and you will get full support from her. At this time, those wanting to take a loan for house renovation or related work will get the loan easily. On 29th of April, Saturn will go into Aquarius, which is the lord of luck. Due to this, you can go on a religious tour with your family and actively participate in religious activities. On 12th of April, Rahu will transit in Aries, located in the 11th house of Gemini. This state of Rahu can cause a rift in your relationship with your children. Moreover, it is an auspicious period for students thinking of moving abroad for higher studies. As per Astro Yogi's prediction, Jupiter will retrograde on 29th of July 2022, due to which there can be a quarrel in the family. Differences between husband and wife can create a state of discord. You are recommended to resolve your differences with care. On 12th July, Saturn will retrograde and go into Capricorn again, due to which there will be tension as you might face family problems. However, this tension will soon be over. At the same time, you will gain benefits from your in-laws side. A large number of expenses will cause you trouble. On the whole, the Gemini family horoscope 2022 indicates ups and downs for you. This year, you will come closer to your family. With the support of your family members, you will gain mental strength and the doors of your progress will open for you. Astrological tips. Let's talk about some astrological tips for this year for Gemini natives. Chant Saraswati mantra 108 times a day. When leaving the house, keep a piece of sugar candy in your mouth. Light a lamp in front of the acacia tree on Wednesday. Visit the Shani temple on Saturdays. This will make your luck even more stronger. Auspicious colors for Gemini for the year 2022 is green and gold. These colors will be considered as very auspicious for this particular year. And the number which are auspicious for Gemini is 1 and 5 for the year 2022. This is a generalized prediction for all the signs. For a personalized prediction in detail, reach out to the top astrologers now at Astro Yogi.
Astro Yogi, India's #1 live astrology app.